Hello, welcome to yet another episode of The Sky This Week. In this program, we will brief about the visible objects and constellations in the night sky of the week. As this is the first quarter of the lunar month, moon can be observed in western evening sky. Moon, being apparently bigger in size, is easier to locate. Hence, it can be used to locate stars, planets, and identify constellations. Now, we will look at the movement of moon across the sky in this week. On 16th November, the first day after new moon, according to Indian lunar calendar, Kartika Masa, Shukla Paksha, Padya. Crescent moon will be near the western horizon at dusk. On the 17th of November, second day, Shukla Paksha, Tritiya, moon will be in Sagittarius or Dhanassu. Near to it, Nitya Nakshatra, Moola can be seen. On 18th of November, the third day, Shukla Paksha, Tritiya, moon will be in Sagittarius or Dhanassu and near Purvashada Nitya Nakshatra. On 19th of November, the fourth day, Shukla Paksha, Chauthi, moon along with Saturn and Jupiter form imaginary triangle. Nitya Nakshatra, Uttarashada can be identified. On 20th November, 5th day, Shukla Paksha, Panchami, moon will be in Capricornus or Makara. Stars of these constellations are faint, makes it difficult to identify. Nitya Nakshatra Shravana is seen here. On 21st November, 6th day, Shukla Paksha, Shashti, moon will be still in Capricornus. Nitya Nakshatra Dhanishta can be seen here. Dhanishta is also called as Delphinus because it looks like a small fish. On 22nd November, 7th day, Shukla Paksha, Saptami, moon will be in Aquarius or Kumbha. Stars of these constellations are also faint, making it difficult to identify. If the sky is dark and clear, try to identify Nitya Nakshatra Shatabhisha. Now, let us look at the evening sky of the week. As usual, Cassiopeia constellation can be used to identify pole star and hence you can know all cardinal direction. Capella, bright star of Auriga constellation, will be above the northeastern horizon. To the east of it, you can find Pleiades or Kritika and red giant star Aldebaran or Rohini. High in the sky, you can see red planet Mars, which is now in Pisces constellation. Great square of Pegasus, which is next to Pisces, can be seen. Towards south, a corner of Eridanus constellation is seen. In the southwest, bright planet Jupiter and Saturn is seen. In the pre-dawn sky, brilliantly shining Venus can be seen near eastern horizon. Near to it, brightest star of Virgo constellation, Spica or Chitta, can be seen. In the southern sky, second brightest star, Canopus or Agastya, is seen. Brightest star, Sirius, and attractive constellation Orion is seen in western sky. Saptarishi Mandala or Big Dipper will be visible in the northern sky. These are the bright celestial objects and constellations easily identifiable in this week's sky.